Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to update Windows Media Player in a simple and effective way so you can keep it running smoothly on your PC. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This button opens the main menu where you can access settings, apps, and system tools. It is the starting point for making changes to your Windows features. Step 2. Type features in the search bar that appears after clicking Start. The search bar helps you quickly find system settings without browsing manually. This makes it faster and easier to access Windows tools. Step 3. Select Turn Windows features on or off from the search results. This option opens a special settings window where you can enable or disable built-in Windows components. It is important because Windows Media Player is managed from here. Step 4. Expand the Media Features section by clicking the small plus or arrow icon next to it. This section contains media-related tools provided by Windows. Expanding it allows you to see Windows Media Player in the list. Step 5. Uncheck the Windows Media Player checkbox. This action temporarily removes the current version from your system. It is necessary to clear out the old files before reinstalling the updated version. Step 6. Click OK to confirm your changes. Windows will apply the changes and begin removing Windows Media Player. This step ensures the feature is properly turned off. Step 7. Restart your computer. Restarting allows Windows to complete the removal process fully. It is an important step to avoid any installation errors later. Step 8. After your computer restarts, click the Start button again. You need to return to the same Windows features settings. This prepares your system for reinstalling the player. Step 9. Type features again in the search bar. This helps you quickly find the Windows features option. It saves time and keeps the process simple. Step 10. Select Turn Windows features on or off once more. This reopens the same settings window. You will now enable Windows Media Player again. Step 11. Expand the Media Features section just like before. This allows you to view the Windows Media Player option. It ensures you are selecting the correct feature. Step 12. Check the box next to Windows Media Player. This action reinstalls the player on your system. Windows will automatically install the latest available version for your PC. Step 13. Click OK to apply the changes. Windows will start installing Windows Media Player again. This step confirms your selection. Step 14. Restart your computer again to complete the installation. The restart finalizes the update process and ensures everything works properly. Once your PC turns back on, your updated Windows Media Player will be ready to use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.